Alibaba, the Chinese technology conglomerate, is reportedly leading a strategic partnership with PiNetwork, a rapidly growing blockchain-based platform. This collaboration involves an estimated total equity of nearly $5 trillion from Alibaba and its allied companies, underscoring a significant commitment to PiNetwork's growth. The partnership is expected to encompass technological exchange, resource sharing, and the utilization of Alibaba's extensive global networks. In a rapidly evolving global economic landscape, PiNetwork has emerged as a focal point, attracting interest from numerous global economic powerhouses. Among these giants, Alibaba, the Chinese technology titan, is reportedly forming a strategic partnership with PiNetwork. This collaboration is not merely a standalone initiative. It represents a collective effort involving dozens of other major Chinese corporations aligned with Alibaba's vision. Together, they aim to drive PiNetwork's transformative agenda in the digital economy. Alibaba is seen as the emblem of a broader consensus among leading Chinese corporations to collaborate with PiNetwork. With its proven leadership in e-commerce, fintech, and digital services, Alibaba's involvement signals confidence in PiNetwork's potential to reshape the global digital economy. A key figure behind this groundbreaking partnership is Dr. Cheng Fan, the visionary driving PiNetwork's decentralized economic mission. Her role in fostering trust and alignment among these corporate giants has been instrumental in bringing this collaboration to life, underscoring her influence as a pioneer in blockchain technology. Unprecedented investment commitment. The collaboration's scale is underscored by the staggering estimated total equity involved, nearly $5 trillion from Alibaba and its allied companies. Such an enormous investment is a testament to the shared commitment to supporting PiNetwork's growth. Beyond financial backing, this partnership is expected to extend to technological exchange, resource sharing, and leveraging Alibaba's expansive global networks. Support from global economic powerhouses. Alibaba is not alone in recognizing PiNetwork's potential. Reports suggest that numerous other economic giants, both within China and globally, are also partnering with PiNetwork. While the full list of collaborators remains undisclosed, the strategic impact of their support is becoming increasingly evident, especially as the network gears up for its Open Mainnet (OM) phase. This milestone marks a significant step forward in the reorganization of the global economy, led by blockchain technology and powered by PiCoin as a core digital asset. Reimagining the global economic order, the strategic alliance between PiNetwork and Alibaba, along with its coalition of economic powerhouses, signals a monumental shift toward a more efficient, transparent, and inclusive global economy. By leveraging blockchain technology, PiNetwork aims to enable seamless value exchange and integrate digital assets into the real world. This approach not only enhances financial inclusivity, but also fosters a unified global economic community. The first day of Open Mainnet. A new era begins. The anticipated launch of PiNetwork's Open Mainnet is poised to be a historic event, marking the beginning of a new era for the digital economy. As the network opens its doors, details of these behind-the-scenes collaborations will begin to emerge. This launch is expected to catalyze significant advancements in the blockchain ecosystem and redefine global economic dynamics. The strategic partnership between PiNetwork and Alibaba, along with a coalition of other economic giants, represents a bold leap forward in shaping the digital economy. With an unprecedented scale of investment and collaboration, PiNetwork is well positioned to lead the transformation toward a decentralized and interconnected global economy. The anticipated launch of PiNetwork's Open Mainnet is poised to be a historic event, expected to catalyze significant advancements in the blockchain ecosystem and redefine global economic dynamics. As Open Mainnet approaches, the world waits to witness how PiNetwork will harness this monumental support to revolutionize the way economies operate. The future of digital finance and economic inclusivity shines brighter than ever, with PiNetwork at the forefront of this transformation. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.